Hello everyone, welcome to Cricket Next. I am Bansal Shah and I have with me Soumya Kapoor. We have some interesting updates around Gautam Gambhir. Soumya has talked to some reliable sources from KKR and the news that we are getting is that Gambhir has shot some kind of video for KKR. Now I'll ask Soumya what was that video about. Soumya, can you just give us the details?
Yeah, just to a bit for an information for the viewers, not the KKR, not with the KKR sources, but to a reliable source around the development. I had a chat with the guy, and Gautam Gambhir has shot a video for Kolkata Knight Riders at the Eden Gardens, but the farewell word which has been doing the rounds, that hasn't been taken, so we don't really know it's a farewell video that he has shot for Kolkata Knight Riders or not. But yes, he has shot a video, that is for sure. That is the update from this thing. But yeah, if that's the case, if he's shot a video, and that's a farewell video for Kolkata Knight Riders, then it seems that he's going to take that, he's going to be the successor for Rahul Dravid's position of the head coach in the Indian team. That's what I can figure this out.
Okay, right. So as just Soumya mentioned, it can be some other thing as well. KKR won the IPL 2024 and the video can be around that thing as well. We need to keep that in mind. But Soumya, if it is a farewell video, if at all it is a farewell video, and if he is coming to the Indian cricket team as the head coach, how big the shoes will it be of Rahul Dravid to fill, considering that he is signing off after winning a World Cup now?
Yeah, he's anyhow, Rahul Dravid is somebody who has been a big name in the Indian cricket for past 2 decades, more than 2 decades. Right. When he was a player, when he was a captain, he didn't really have a great tournament as a captain himself at the World Cup, but he did a phenomenal job. Other than that, then he was a coach of the under-19 team that went to the 2016 final, that won the 2018 final under Prithvi Shaw, and now the Rohit Sharma led Indian team has lifted the T20 World Cup,
right.
ODI World Cup. We were in the finals, WTC finals. So Rahul Dravid has done a lot of good things to Indian cricket as a player, as a coach, as a captain. But that elusive trophy is now in the cabinet, जो बहुत टाइम से हम वेट कर रहे थे, वो नहीं आई थी. 11 साल से उस ट्रॉफी का वेट कर रहे थे. वो फाइनली कैबिनेट में है, वो फाइनली हमारे पास है. 2007 वाज द लास्ट T20 वर्ल्ड कप दैट वी वन. दैट वाज इनॉग्रल वर्ल्ड कप. और अगर उस वर्ल्ड कप की बात करूँ तो उसमें बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स हैं. रोहित शर्मा वाज स्टिल was making his name at the highest level. Virat Kohli, who is another big name in Indian cricket, was yet to lead an under-19 India side to a World Cup win. He did that in 2008. So वो बहुत बड़ा एक position है. And I just feel Gautam Gambhir is probably the finest name who could have taken up that job, because the way he's done things with KKR as a captain, as a leader. With LSG, they were in the knockouts when he was around that team, and now KKR are the winners of the IPL 2024. They last won it under his captaincy twice, and now they're the winners again. So yeah, he's somebody who can take the owners, take the baton forward, and I just hope that India continues to do well, because this has been a start probably, I feel, because जिस तरीके से 2007 में हुआ था, आफ्टर दैट 50 ओवर वर्ल्ड कप का जो फैस्को था, नई परफॉर्मेंस आई, उसके बाद T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीता, 2011 में ODI वर्ल्ड कप जीता, 2013 में चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीती. नाउ वी हैव अ चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी लाइंड अप इन 2025 और WTC फाइनल. Probably we will be reaching the final. Right. So you have a couple of major ICC tournaments that are lined up in the next year. So yeah, I mean that's something which obviously Rahul Dravid के जो shoes हैं वो बहुत बड़े, but I just feel Gautam Gambhir is somebody who can fill them.
Right, Gautam Gambhir can definitely fill it, and the fans want Gambhir to be there in Rahul Dravid's place now. But Soumya, considering जो आपने बताया कि बहुत बड़े टूर्नामेंट्स आने वाले अगले 1 साल में ही, तो गंभीर कोच बनेंगे, उसके 1 साल में ही इतने बड़े टूर्नामेंट्स आएंगे. प्लस to have people in dressing room like Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, रविंद्र जडेजा, जसप्रीत बुमराह, इतने बड़े बड़े नाम हैं जो एक के बाद एक सारे बड़े नाम आ रहे हैं. So what will the dressing room environment be like, especially when someone like गंभीर comes in? क्योंकि जब राहुल द्रविड़ की बात करते हैं तो रिसेंटली रोहित शर्मा भी बोले थे कि राहुल द्रविड़ ने काफ़ी बार खुद के इंस्टिक्ट्स, खुद के थॉट्स को साइड में रख के लड़कों का सुना, लड़कों को जो करना था करने दिया. So when गंभीर comes into the dressing room, what will the situation be like? सेम चीज़ रहेगी या गंभीर शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा जो खुद सोचते वो ज़्यादा टीम उस तरह करे वो चाहेंगे.
who will let the instinct of the players work. He is that kind of a player. वो कहीं ना कहीं अपना इनपुट देंगे, and obviously you will have to do that because at that level यार आप कोचिंग नहीं सिखाओगे. You, as we always talk it about कि मैन मैनेजर चाहिए आपको. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो मैन मैनेजमेंट करने के लिए आपको अपने इंस्टिंक्ट्स को शायद कभी पीछे बैकड्रॉप में रखना पड़ेगा. बट इफ थिंग्स डोंट गो टू इन द वे द प्लेयर्स आर डूइंग इट, देन प्रॉब्ली ही विल chip in with his inputs and do the get the job done. So that's how the dressing room will function. I feel वो नहीं प्रॉब्लम्स आएगी क्योंकि जो पॉजिटिविटी की हम बात कर रहे थे ना, बेसिकली इस वर्ल्ड कप ने वो पॉजिटिविटी दे दी है इंडियन टीम को. कीपिंग दैट स्टार नेम्स एंड द स्टारडम बिहाइंड द ट्रॉफीज आर समथिंग विच यू वांट एंड यू वांट टू टेक अवे. तो वो नाम नहीं अब मैटर करने वाले, वो ट्रॉफीज मैटर करने वाली हैं. फॉर दैट किसी को भी थोड़ा सा बैकफुट पे अगर आना भी पड़े ओपिनियन वाइज, दैट इज़ फाइन है. दैट विल हेल्प इंडियन क्रिकेट.
Okay, I hope that helps Indian cricket, and it is expected that Gambhir coming into the dressing room will only take the Indian cricket team forward. Well, the official news around Gautam Gambhir is yet to come out. We are waiting for a BCCI update on this thing, and it is expected that
he has shot a video for Kolkata at the Eden Gardens. That's the
yeah, that's the biggest news, and a bigger news is expected towards the end of July. So stay tuned to Cricket Next till then.